Welcome to the Trading with Venus podcast, where we help you establish strong trading habits, generate consistent profits, and create the lifestyle you desire for yourself and your family. Now your host, Raman Gill.
Welcome to another episode of the Trading with Venus podcast. I am your host, Raman Gill. Today we'll talk about trading during the summer months. Summer is one of those times where trading is a little volatile, and that is because markets are illiquid during this time. And by that I mean that a lot of people are away from their desks, a lot of traders are away, especially the ones that work for the institutions, the big institutional traders are away, and a lot of times they hand the reins over to their junior traders. So the junior traders are manning the desks, the bigger guys are away. What that means is that the position size that the bigger traders would normally take, the senior traders would normally take, the juniors are not allowed to take. As a result, the orders are a lot smaller in the market. Usually they'll have larger positions running, but the new orders coming into the market are much smaller. So think of it as a leaf flying in the breeze. If it's a big leaf, it won't be able to get pushed around, but a tiny little leaf flying around in the breeze can be pushed around anywhere that the wind wants to push it to. So the same way, when there are small orders in the market, when a larger order comes in, the price will get pushed around by that larger order. So the trends may not be in place like you would normally see them. A lot of times the prices will get stuck in ranges and we don't really get any big trending moves. And as a result of that, it creates choppiness in the market, or price may go up to the top of the range and then it will drop from there, it comes into the bottom and then gets pushed around back into the middle of the range. So all of that is due to illiquid market conditions with bigger traders being away. So what do we as retail traders, what can we do during that time? Most important thing is to recognize that it's summer trading, and as a result of that, markets can be volatile and the prices can tend to get pushed around. So that's the first thing, knowing and being aware of that. Once you know it, I would suggest that reduce the position sizes. So in case things go against us, if we have smaller position sizes, they'll be easier to manage. So that's another thing. Also, if the big institutional traders think it is a good time for them to be away from their desks during this time, we need to follow them. And this is a good time for us to be away from our desks. So this is a good time for us to spend some time with our family, go on vacation, or just do other things that we want to do with our lives. So we don't have to be trading at all times. We can take the time away and go and do other stuff, whether it's hobbies or just taking a time off. It's beautiful outside, so this is a good time for us to recharge our batteries and do something else. And if you think about sports have their seasons as well, where there is a time when we have all the tournaments and it's game season, so everybody goes and plays. So you're in full-on playing mode, whereas there are off seasons where the players are not expected to play. They take the time off, they go back to their families, and they do other things. So this is our off season for traders. Summer is an off season. This is where we take time off. One thing that we can do during this time is to practice. So just like athletes, this is a time to recharge, rejuvenate, and practice. So if there is a skill set that the players want to improve, this will be the time that they would take the time to do that. So for us, instead of sitting and enjoying it too much, we can actually take a look at what are the things that we have been doing well, where are we struggling, and also if you have a strategy that you want to back test, this is an excellent time to do that. So time for reflection, recharging, and testing our strategies and trying out new things that we may want to do. On that note, so I'm going to be away going on vacation as well. This is the first time I'm going to be taking a whole month away and taking my kids away on vacation. So I am doing what I am proposing here myself. So good time to recharge. When we come back in September, we'll see that the markets are back to normal. We have the order flow that we need in the market in order to trade profitably, and things will be back to normal. So we'll take this downtime, recharge, and then we'll back in September to trade once again. Hope you enjoyed this episode. That's all for today. Have a wonderful summer and wonderful trading week, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for joining us today. With much gratitude, your show host, Raman Gill.